Hello, my name is Abhimukh Falawat. I am a computer engineering student in third year of Chulalongkorn University. I am passionate about using my IT knowledge to improve quality of life of people. For your topic about mobility device during emergency, I believe that this topic is very important because the ability to move of people define their life and death. And for Thailand and Japan, we both face disasters such as flood, tsunami, and earthquake. For my technical skill and experience, I have experience to build full stack web app. Our app is like ride sharing app. We use Next.js, Express.js, Prisma ORM, and Supabase to develop this project. I also have experience to working in front end of Komsampan activity. For my individual project, I have project about social media app that it is a simple social media that you can only post, but it is real-time post using Supabase real-time. And I also have project that connect to Open Weather Map API, so you can forecast the next 5-day weather for every country in Earth. For my project idea that I think I can use it to improve your course is I think I will have real-time notification using maybe Supabase real-time or Socket.io. And I think we should build web application that is not, that let people know where what route they can go and what route they cannot go, and let people update the road that is blocked. The reason for me that joining this is because I think it is the opportunity for me to grow in both technical skill and teamwork skill, and I think it is also the opportunity for me to working with professionals from both Chulalongkorn University and Japan University. I hope that I can apply my knowledge to help develop your project and collaborating and learning with you. Thank you for watching.